Hi, this is Young Nines with another video. This one is on the Victorinox Climber silvertech version. This is my favorite multi-tool. Well, pretty much my only multi-tool. I don't own a Leatherman or anything. It has a reamer, a cap lifter with a screwdriver, a Y stripper, toothpick, multi-purpose hook, a parcel carrier, scissors, corkscrew, a large blade, and a small blade. Here, I'll show you. Small blade, large blade, corkscrew, the multi-purpose hook, or parcel carrier, there's the classic toothpick, the wire stripper, which is attached to the bottle opener function, and also on that is also a flathead screwdriver. Then there's a can opener with another small flathead screwdriver. There's the scissors, probably my favorite part, and a very important part to buying this one. The where's it? Tweezers. Gotta have them tweezers. There is a reamer. Here it is. I usually call that an awl. I don't know, might be different. There's a key ring. They consider that tool too, but I don't really. The blade type is a multi-tool. Color is silver. The length is 91 millimeters. The material is polyamide translucent. This has been another video by Young Knives.